i-full training eKaizer Chiefs bafethu, la bekune-media, it was open for i-media, bebakhona abantu be-media abaningi bafethu, more than 20 bathatha iy'thombe nama-video, everything live eNaturena bafethu. Dlani sibona u-Ighodaro noThabiso Munyane ngathi ubuyile, nangu uVelebayi, nangu uShinga bafethu, no-goalkeeper uVuma, no-goalkeeper uMulife la, uMulife lo mfana lona omncane ogqoke number 16, ulobeka ku-D.C team bafethu. Kakadlali-ke uKaizer Chiefs this season at all. Mhlampe-ke naye sombona but asazi kuzo-decide abantu beKaizer Chiefs. Current assistant coach eKaizer Chiefs, but-ke at the moment ngathi co-coach yena noBen Khalil, yibo-ke aba-in charge, bayabambisana laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, bayashintshisana, yibo-ke aba-lead iKaizer Chiefs to greater heights. Sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuqualify kuma-group stages because into abayidingayo ukuqualify kuma-group stages. Nangucele, nayi i-media-ke abanye bafethu abe-media siyababona, nangu Silver Peterson. Currently Kaizer Chiefs number 1 laphana, uye u-goalkeeper owenza izinto esenzeke laphana, u-number 1 for iKaizer Chiefs. uNtwara abayitholi i-opportunity. Thabiso Munyane again siyambona ukuthi nangu une-team, uVelebayi umfana, ucoach ukhulume ngaye kahle kakhulu bafethu uCedric ukuthi uzobasiza. uSolomons naye-ke ngizokhuluma nge-interview yakhe ukuthi utheni kwi-interview. uShinga umfana omusha, Mayo first goal, first game laphana, number 3 weKaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so far so good for Mayo. Siyazi ukuthi izinto mhlawumbe azikahambi the way, but-ke bathi-ke akakabi that fully fit, but-ke uzoba right for iKaizer Chiefs soon. Shinga laphana, amanye ama-player bayayithanda ukuyidlala le nto le, nayo i-media-ke bafethu, let's hope niyayibona ukuthi bangakanani abantu be-media. That's the thing about iKaizer Chiefs, they're always open for i-media ukuthi wonke umuntu abone ukuthi obani abakhona, obani aba-available, obani abangekho, overall laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. And then other teams obviously get access ukuthi babone ukuthi okay, we're playing Kaizer Chiefs next, sisibheke ukuthi potentially kungaba obani abakhona laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. La sibona esikafihlekile uMorris, nangu uMorris striker laphana kuKaizer Chiefs esikhona bafethu, expected ukuthi mhlampe naye uzo-add something, but hayi kunzima kakhulu. Obviously-ke everything ivulwa ngomthandazo laphana eNaturena, kubalulekile ukuthi bona bavule everything ngomthandazo. Cheslet kakadlali umfethu, sobona ukuthi Cheslet number 23 wabo straight from e-UK, noma ngithi eNgilandi. Nangu Ighodaro, the coolest thing about Ighodaro ukuthi naye sekayijoyinile i-team in terms of ukutrainer. He's getting them and he's getting there. Ucoach uthembisile ukuthi Ighodaro uzoba available ngo-October, immediately after ilokhunjani international break, but obviously-ke bazo-advise medical team nabo ukuthi benze kanjani, ngeke bavele bazenzele umathanda overall. Omunye okubuzwa ngaye laphana uLebowang Maboyo ukuthi kanti uba available then for iKaizer Chiefs because ama-fanatics weKaizer Chiefs ayamdinga ngempela ukuthi akwazi ukusiza laphana iKaizer Chiefs overall bafethu. Gaston Sirino, one of the leaders in terms of like experience anayo ku-professional setup, uye umuntu ngempela laphana phambili okwaziyo ucreate a beautiful moments. Cross i-left back yabo laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, umuntu I didn't think much of uCross, but and so far so good. This season has been solid. Akanayo i-pace that much, but like i-football IQ yakhe important, yiyo emenza ukuthi abe i-standout performer laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Ku-left back simbone, even though kune-presence yabo Marco nabanye, but yeah, we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi maybe uya laphana ku-international break iKaizer Chiefs bazoba available bonke na amajita or obani abangeke babe available. But yeah, conference ucoach ukhulumile ukuthi ba-expecte abantu abazobuya abambalwa vele laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi isquad sizoboosteka. Naba bo-goalkeeper, number 3, top 3 goalkeepers kuKaizer Chiefs laphana, Peterson, uVuma, Ntwari. Maybe uPeterson, maybe khona I saw somewhere but they think abana goalkeeper problem overall laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. We don't know, man. I think mina kuzo-decide isizini iyoze dictate ukuthi okay banenkinga ka-goalkeeper abanayo, cause uVuma kubonakala ngathi bayamthemba laphana kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi angaba one of the guys. Matlo experience yakhe ku-professional setup bamnikele i-renewal ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi potentially angakwazi uku-add something laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but sobona whenever is given an opportunity to play, cause ayi-depth laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs too much. But I would say this, bathi bona bafuna ukuba nama-player amaningi or banama-player amaningi because wonke ama-player akhompyutha ku-continental level anama-player amaningi. So bathi last season into yabalimaza ama-injuries. This time around noma bangaba nawo ama-injuries but banesquad esikhulu esibanika ama-option ukuthi benze noma ngabe yini, badlale nakanjani. Sesibheka amanye ama-player, Duduzi Shabalala madoda, they bullied him. UMduduzi Shabalala bambhulishe waze watshentsha i-style yakhe. Hhayi, ama-fans awadlali, i-social media banter ayidlali ngempela. UNgcobo, I mean, the improvement has been insane for yena laphana uNgcobo. What he has created for Kaizer Chiefs this season, I mean, it's beautiful to see a young star. A contributor. Yeah, uNgcobo, because kuma mid-25 akusiyi young star, but yeah, i-contribution yakhe this season, I mean, he has been solid laphana ezi-6 e-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-6 or ngithi centrally, midfielder uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-attacking futhi uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-8, uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-10, umdlali ngempela. Khona iphaza alishayela uLilephu waligeja ngabona ngathi ya Lilephu. Because that was a beautiful moment ukuthi azame ngempela ukuyi-convert. Unfortunately isikhathi sokuthi akore uLilephu, then besingamfevi overall. Nabanye abadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs mawubheka, I think it's very important ukuthi uma umdlali u-understand i-role yakhe ethimini ukuthi wena udlala yiphi i-role, cause I mean i-role kalokhunjana kaMthethwa isimple. Yabo nangu uCheslett la, good feet, uyakwazi ukudlala laphana. Ejimini uyabonisa ngempela ukuthi uyazama akufani, but-ke egemini akakayitholi i-game time at all. Matchday squad next. So yeah, kunzima for amanye amajita, but khona ama-player aba more preferred than maybe when. Because at the end of the day, it's about working hard laphana ejimini uzibonakalise ukuthi you deserve to play for Kaizer Chiefs, because if you are lazy, kunzima. I'm expecting ukuthi uLilephu uzoba yi-leader laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyabona full training nangu khona umfowethu laphana uShinga, so there's no excuse ngempela ukuthi uShinga angabi khona. Yeah, it's just they have a big squad overall. Sibafisela inhlanhla this season. Ngeke kube lula, kuzoba nzima, but yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla nje overall ukuthi benze kahle. Sizibambelana bafethu okwamanje. Sithanda nje ukuthi danko, cela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.